Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I will show you how to create guild on Discord. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open your Discord and log in into your account. And once you log in, here you should see on the left side this plus icon, add a server. Simply click on it, then click on create your own. Then now you'll have to choose between for a club or community. I'll choose this one. I'll give it a name, then click on create. And now once you click on the server settings, just click on your server name on the top left side, then go and click on server settings. Here on the left side, you should find guild settings. But here, because I have already created this server, I do not have this option. And because this server isn't boosted yet, so you should boost the server in order to get this feature. And this feature might be in beta, so it might not be available for all servers. And that is it, your quick guide to creating a Discord guild tag. If you find it helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.